Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to St. Michael's Academy, Betya's e-learning class of English Grammar of Standard 1. Children, today we will start our first chapter, the alphabet. Children, look at these beautiful balloons. Students, what is written in the balloon? They are letters of English alphabet. The alphabet is written in the capital form, or we can say the uppercase. Children, now look at these bubbles. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. These 26 letters are written in a small form, or we can say lowercase. Children, the alphabet written with red color such as A, E, I, O, U are vowel and the rest alphabet are consonant. Children, now let's move towards our exercise. Page number 6, question number B. Write the missing letters. The first one has been done for you. Children, the letter which is missing here, we have to fill up. And one is already done for you as an example. So let's see. A dash C. Children, what comes after A? What is missing here? Absolutely right. B. A, after that B, after that C. A, B, C. Children, the rest of the given blanks we have to fill in the same way. So let's start. Number 2. F dash H. What will be there? G. F, G, H. Third. K dash M. K, L, M. In the same way, fourth number. Q dash S. Q. We will fill up there R, S. Number 5. B, W, X. Number 6. T, U, B. Number 7. It has been given in a small letter. B dash D. B. We will fill up there C. Then D. Number 8. G, H, I. Number 9. L, M, N. Number 10. O, P, Q. Number 11. S, T, U. Number 12. X, Y, Z. Children, we learned that letter A comes first and then B, then C and so on. Look at the picture. The arrow shows how the letter of the alphabet follow the order, and this is called alphabetical order. Children, just to see question number C, write the letters which comes before and after. The first one has been done for you. Children, in this we have to fill that letter which comes before and after it. As for example, number 1, it has been already done for you. Just to see, the alphabet has been given J. Before J, I, and after J, K. We have to fill rest of the blanks in the same way. So let's start. Number 2, the alphabet in between it has given C. Before C, B, and after C, D. In number 3, the alphabet is given H. Before H, G, and after H, I. Number 4, the alphabet is given S. Before S, R, after S, T. In number 5, the alphabet is given in between V. Before V, U, after V, W. Number 6, in between it has given W. Before W, B, after W, X. Children, in question number D, match the capital letters with the small letters. The first one has been done for you. Children, in this, the alphabet which is given up are capital letters and the alphabet which is written down are small letters. For example, B, U, H, E, J, W, O, R, K, S. These are the capital letters. And J, W, B, R, K, H, U, E, S and O, which is written down. These are small letters. Children, we have to match the capital letters with the small letters. The same letters we have to match. In book, it has been written wrong. It has matched B with R. It is wrong. Just you match the capital B with the small b. In the same way, U, capital U with the small letter U. Capital letter H, we will match with the small letter H. Capital letter E, we will match with the small letter E. Capital letter J, we have matched with the small letter J. W, we will match with the small letter W. O, capital letter O, will match with the small letter O. After that R, it is written in capital letter at the up. We have to match with the small letter. It is written down. After that K, capital letter K, we will match with the small letter K. Capital letter S will match with the small letter S. Children, just you see below vowels and consonants. Children, you can see 5 letters A, E, I, O and U. These letters are written in pink color circle. These 5 letters are vowel and the other 21 letters are consonants. Children, just you see question number F. Look at the following pictures and complete the names of the things by filling in the correct vowels. The first one has been done for you. Children, we have to fill and complete the words by the correct vowels with the help of the correct vowels. So number 1, it's already done for you. B-A-T, bat. Number 2, C-A-T, cat. Number 3, D-O-G, dog. Number 4, H-A-T, hat. Number 5, P-E-N, pen. Number 6, J-I-P, jip. Number 7, B-A-L-L, ball. Number 8, B-O-X, box. Number 9, N-I-B, nib. Children, as in the above question, we have filled the correct vowels and completed the words. In the same way, in this question, we have to fill the missing consonants and have to complete the answers. So, fill in the missing consonants in the names of the following animal. The first one has been done for you. One is already done for you as an example. First one is O-W-L, owl. Number second, F-I-S-H, fish. Number third, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Number 4, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Number 5, L-I-O-N, lion. Number 6, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Number 7, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Number 8, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Number 8, Number 9. ELEPHANT. Elephant. Children, in question number H, circle the words that can be formed with the given vowels in each group. One has been done for you. Children, in question number 1, GUN, gun. It has been circled. GUN, gun. Here U is vowel. In number 2, HEN, hen. It has been circled. Children, in the spelling of hen, here E is vowel. Number 3, PIN, pin. Here I is vowel. Number 4, DOG, dog. Here O is vowel. Number 5, SUN, sun. Here U is vowel. Children, now let us learn how vowels and consonants help to read these words. Number I. Read these ill words and ac words. BELL, bell. FELL, fell. YELL, yell. Children, these are ill words. Now let us see some of the ac words. As it is given, BLACK, black. JACK, jack. CRACK, crack. Children, as we are pronouncing the words, at last ac is coming. These are called ac words. Children, on the basis of your understanding, now let's complete question number J. Tick the ill words and circle the ac words. Children, in this, the word which ends with L, we have to tick that word, and the word which ends with ac, we have to circle it. So let's start. Number 1, the duck says quack quack. We will circle the word quack quack. Number 2, where did you find this shell? We will tick this word shell. Number 3, Pushy fell into the well. We will tick the word fell and well. Number 4, please give the pencil back to Nil. We have to circle the word back and tick the word Nil. Number 5, Harjeet can pack this lunch himself. Children, we have to circle the word pack. Number 6, Anu's dog is black. Children, we have to circle the word black. Number 7, Ali likes to run on the track. Circle the word track. Number 8, Mary Tell had a sack on her back. We have to circle the word sack and back. Children, now it's your homework time. Children, just you see on page number 8, question number E. Color the vowels in red and the consonants in green. Children, here some of the alphabets are given. You have to select which alphabet or which letter is vowel and which are consonant. You have to color the vowels with red color and the consonant with green color. Children, just you look at page number 6, question number A. Write the letters of the English alphabet in proper order in the given boxes. Children, here some of the boxes are given. You have to write the English alphabets like A, B, C, D, E, etc. in a proper order. Okay, this is your homework. Children, I hope you all have understood the chapter well. Thank you.